welcome to the Imperfect Tesla. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today it's gonna be just touch base, recap of a few things, some heads up as to what's coming, and exciting news. I have a giveaway on today's video. Just quick overview, somewhat of a reintroduction.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
As the channel has been growing, we've crossed over 300 subscribers now. That may not look like a lot, but honestly, personally to me, I really appreciate that. The fact that there's over 300 people who are subscribed and are getting value from the content that we put out. Again, thank you. And so for anybody that's new, what are we about over here? What's going on? What to expect? And all that good stuff. Like I said, there's also a giveaway at the end of this video, so do stay tuned. And on that note also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button and do that. So real quick, what is the channel about? If you look at the forums out there, there's always tons of questions that's posted every day, between questions about the hardware, the car, the driving dynamics, the FSD, charging, the app, all sort of things. There's always questions out there. Not saying there's a perfect car out there, but whatever it is, we know our cars are not perfect, and that's how we do what we do to make it perfect for us. And so how can I contribute in making sure you have that experience? That's all I'm about. We have two Model Ys in our family. My wife has a 2021 Model Y. I have a 2022. One is an Intel Atom, one is an AMD Ryzen. So there are some differences between the two models. May not very subtle, you may never notice it, but that in a way doubles the experience and the exposure that we have. And when we were getting the first one, which was the 2021 Model Y, I spent a lot of time just trying to understand the car, what to expect, and all that good stuff. And I know and I remember what I went through doing all that stuff. And so part of what I'm trying to do with this channel here is how can I help other folks who are getting to the market or who already have the car? What can I share from my experience as an everyday driver to somebody who is just trying to learn about the car or what to do with the car. Part of that also is modifications, right? What modifications can you do as an everyday driver? Whenever I do my mods, they're usually things that somebody else can do right from their driveway, from the garage. Everything that I've done so far are things that you can do yourself, and I try to also come from the perspective of what you should know. Some of my installations will have two camera shots that show you different perspectives, so you can know how to see or look at your stuff from one angle versus the other. And I try to be, again, as informative as possible. Typically, when you look at the videos from the manufacturers or whoever is doing the selling, they're always like 2-3 minute quick videos that starts with somebody opening the package and the next thing, boom, it's done. You don't get the nuances of what happened in between, what to expect, what issues or challenges do you run into, right? So when I do my videos, my aim is to hopefully help you close that gap and let you know, hey, when you start doing this, you might run into this problem. Here's how you can fix it. So I hope to just hopefully, again, help and bring better information out with the channel. And one thing I do like is the engagement people have. Leaving comments, you're asking questions, and I've seen cases to where people are actually helping each other out on the channel, just responding to each other's questions. So again, keep that up, please keep that going. Speaking of subscribers, we do get a very large range of viewers, but literally the views that come to the channel are from all over the world, primarily United States, Canada, India, Australia, Denmark, Italy, South Africa, even Korea, from all over the world. And it's amazing that people are finding the channel from everywhere and they're watching and they're tuning in. That is really amazing. One of the things that I notice about the channel too is we have a high number of returning members, meaning people who are coming back, but those guys are not subscribed. So people that either saving the video, bookmarking it or something, and you're coming back and you're watching, but you're not subscribed. Again, if you're not subscribed and you enjoy the content that you've seen so far, don't forget to do that. I like to come from the practical point of view of you or me as a regular everyday driver, my experiences, what information do I have, what can I share. We've done some stuff already with the Frunk, so I've got the auto Frunk on my car. My wife's car has the Frunk soft close. We've got ambient light in both of the cars. There's a few other modifications here and there, but I do have a few things that actually have implant. I got some packages from some different companies. I've got a new product from Satonic. It's a rare entertainment screen. So you've all seen folks putting those rare screens in the back. This is the latest version. It's about over 8.5-inch wide screen. It's got space for the air vents that you can still control. It's got your USB-C charging port, so you don't lose functionality with the air vents. You don't lose your charging functionality there, and you've got a nice bigger screen that you can install. I haven't installed this yet, so I don't have the videos of how it works, but that's coming. So there's that. I also got reached out to by a company called Yeslac, and they sent me two products to review for them. One is the rim protector, which is the induction wheel protector. I haven't tried this before, but I got this once here, so I'll talk about it when I do that video, the quality and all that good stuff. But that's going to be coming. They also sent me a product that looked very interesting. It's like a USB hub, but also controller type thing. So basically, it goes right in the center console. It's got 3 buttons that you can use to program up to 6 functions, including opening the doors, opening the gut blocks, and it sits really nice and flush with your center console. And the wiring also looks very simple. That's one thing I'm really excited about this for. So we're gonna do that also. I've got a couple of videos that I've been in editing for a while now, where the rare custom tail lights. I got one on my wife's car, I got a different one on my car. At some point I'm gonna try to finish editing those videos, put those out there. So again, if you're not subscribed, this is a very good time to hit that button so you don't miss out when these updates come out and you can see these features about your car. Everything won't just be about installation, like I said, sharing experiences, tidbits, information, guides, all that good stuff. Speaking of the vendors that I work with, I work primarily with Satonic. They were just one of the ones that to reach out to me in the beginning and being consistent. But what I'm trying to share more here is the discount code that you can use. TIT20 is the discount code that you can use on Satonic's website, and anything you have, you buy from there, you get, as of right now, is 35% off. So that's a pretty big deal. And so there's that. I've also worked with a company called TI Alloy Off. The ambient light we have in the cars came from them. They have a few other accessories also, but for them too, there's a code. It's TIT30, TIT30, and what that gets you is 30% off anything on their website. The new company that I've kind of been partnering with here is, like I said, it's called Yeslac. I have the 2 products I have to install, but with them also, if you use the code TIT offer, so TITOFFER, you get, as of right now, it's 20% off anything on that website. And so you have options between companies that sell different things. Take advantage. If you're going to get a product, by all means, use the code and get some discount from there. I also have a discount code with Hanshow. I did set up a discount code with them a while ago that I've not done a good job of putting out there. So I'll put that also in the description. If you prefer to shop from Hanshow, there's a code you can use that will get you a discount with them. Oh, before I go, the main thing we're here, the giveaway. So I mentioned I was going to do a giveaway, and I'm just doing this giveaway not for any particular reason. It's not, we're not that big of a channel to be doing giveaways anyway. But what happened was I recently installed a V2 Auto Frunk soft closer in my wife's car. But what I had purchased was a V1. And before I installed that V1, they came out with V2, they being Satonic. So they sent me the V2 that I installed. But what that means now is I've got a V1 that's sitting in the garage untouched. And instead of just sitting there collecting dust, I figured, hey, what better way to show appreciation to the folks who have been riding with us for some time now. And it doesn't matter if you're new or old. If you're riding with the channel, again, it's just a way of showing appreciation. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give a lucky subscriber this V1 soft closer. Rules not gonna be that restrictive. Once the video is up, it's gonna be about like a week or two before I go pull a name. All I say is you have to be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment, and then once the time is up, I will go through, take all those comments, and I'm going to run the users, the subscribers, through some kind of a random picker, and I will pick someone and I'll reach out to you, probably put a comment back on your comment to let you know that you won, and we can sort out lots of details. Now, like I said, we've got subscribers right now and viewers from all over the world, and I would love to include everybody in this giveaway. I just don't know how things will work when it comes to shipping and customs and all that stuff. So if you are from outside of the United States and you want to participate, you're very much welcome to. Just be aware, be mindful. I'm going to caveat this here that I may not be able to ship to you if one, logistics don't align or the costs are just too great. The channel is not monetized, and so anything that I'm doing with this is out of pocket. And again, it's just my showing appreciation. So just want to put that out there, that if you're from outside the country and you get selected, it may be a case where I have to respectfully decline to ship if logistics don't work out. But that's about it. There will be some other giveaways that will happen down the line. I've got a few other things sitting that I have sitting in my garage, accessories. I've got tail lights and that kind of a thing that I will give away at some point. But I'm starting with this here first. Again, so be subscribed, leave a comment. In about 2 weeks or so, I will pick a winner, and then we'll work out the details of you getting that product. And once again, I really appreciate everybody who is subscribed, and don't forget to hit that button, do the subscription. It might be like, well, is this a subscription video plot today? Maybe it is. Everybody's trying to grow one way or the other, but just reminding you what you need to do. As always, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.